Hello robotic guys, today I am going to tell you about job header. What is the use of job header? This is used for your program safe from edit from other persons or your new joinees worker, employee, anybody who uh, who avoid who prevent from editing of your program. Nobody can edit in this. You see that I have copied the original program, triple one program. I have named the 4 times 1. I have made that program. You see in the screen, and then you go in display. Then you press on that display. You see that job header. When you click on that, you see different one options like that. Comment, job folder, always be none job folder. If you like, if you want to write something, so whatever you want, be write it there. But now I'm placing there my teach pendant because easy to record the video. Then I have write it something, anything like that, RSFF, whatever, and then press enter. That's command will available shown there. Job header always be none, and your date. If you like, then you read. But you have not changed that. You see that edit log. When you on this edit log, your program is never be edited by anyone. If when you off this edit log in the job header, then your program automatically overwrite it there. Means edit also happen. You also edit log always be on. If you want to prevent their program from editing, content display permitted, save job permitted, to save to be FD, means any other device you want to save that. Group set R1 because you made that program in robot, so R1. When you done this thing, then press enter and go into the program. You see that error 2000 2100 job cannot be edited. You see that. When you off this feature, you have able to edit it there in the program. You have nothing have to be changed in the job header also, because you on that edit log. I'm going job and then job. You see that this is my program. I want to change something. I want to delete job. When I'm clicking on that, you see that job cannot be edited. Nothing has to be edited, nothing has to be copied of this program when you on the edit log in the job header. If you want to modify or enter any point, nothing will happen. You see that job cannot be edited. When I goes again display and then job header and edit log is off. You see that I have made that off 4 times 1 program, and then again going to job and job, show that open the 4 times 1 program, and then again I'm going to job and delete. You see that my program is able to delete now. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends for helping others. If you have any suggestion, queries, commenting in the comment section for your help. Thank you.